Yo, V Nation, you want to check out some small, spooky Bluetooth speakers with that true wireless sound? Then you're going to want to stay tuned to check out this video, alright? Alright. Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for CLHVIEWS back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. Alright, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Introducing the world's smallest and most spookiest Bluetooth speakers. The portable mini jack-o'-lantern. Yo, V Nation, it's your man Mark, back again with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at some spooky little mini Bluetooth speakers, alright? Alright, but before we get started, let's get a few things out of the way. 1, I'm not an expert. 2, I'm just a guy little taking gadgets. And 3, I just like to showcase new products I get right here on the channel, alright? Alright, spec junkies, don't beat me up down in the comment section. Alright, now we get it out of the way. Yep. Your main man Mark got some mini Bluetooth speakers, some spooky mini Bluetooth speakers here, alright? And let's see here. The name of these are the LFS mini Bluetooth speakers, small pumpkin, and then we got the small jack-o'-lantern. All right, But I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more information on it. You know, I was scouring through the interwebs, and then with this being Halloween, I said, hey, let's check out some of these, something like this. And and one is for the fall. Just got a plain pumpkin, and you got a jack-o'-lantern. So. Enough talking, let's go ahead and take these bad boys out of the package and see what we got. Well, before we take them out of the package, let me read off a few specs right here. It has a true wireless stereo, wireless audio, music player, LED light, hands-free calling. Oh, okay, so you can use it as a speakerphone, okay. And it says waterproof, well, basically it's resistance to splash or gentle rain. That's what it's basically saying. So you can pause this information right here and read it for yourself. Alright, let's go ahead and get these bad boys out of the box and see what we're working with. Alright, we'll go with the jack-o'-lantern first. Take the jack-o'-lantern out, and I believe this one might not have any lighting to it, so this might just be just a jack-o'-lantern, but we'll see in a minute. This thing is tiny. What else we get in the box? Like we got what we got? Some instruction booklets. We're gonna put this to the side, and let's see here. We got the pumpkin itself right here. All right, got the instruction booklet. I'm gonna lay it to the side right now. You get it like a little lanyard, and well, you got a little something to put on the pumpkin itself. Then you get a USB-C charging cable. Okay, so that's a good look. USB-C charging cable. So we're gonna put that one to the side and open up the second one. Let's open up this second one, see what's in the box. Alright, now this one has a light on it. If I'm not mistaken, this one should have a light. Let's see. Okay, same thing. Got some instruction booklet. We're going to lay it to the side. And another USB-C charging cable. You know if you see this right here. Alright. Let's get this stuff back in the box. And toss that box to the side. Now this one has a light on it, so you can tell the difference because you can see the coloring on here, and this one is kind of translucent. You can kind of see a little bit through it. But these look pretty neat. Okay, this one has a black. Okay, I see what's going. This one has a black lanyard, and this one has a gray one. So here's what it is. All right, but these are pretty small. Let me see. What I got something here to compare with. This is a cell phone, right? This is a Note 20 Ultra right here. And here's the speakers itself. These are tiny. Trust me, they are tiny. When it says, let me look at some of the specs on there. It's a 12-hour playtime. And when the playtime, I always say that's going to vary with usage, because if you rocking them out at max volume, you might not get that full 12 hours. And it also said it was It's also a speakerphone, and also what we're saying with the these little attachments, these little holders right here. You can put these in the top of it and hang them from your Christmas tree, because they're saying like you can use them as a Christmas ornament. So you can hang these on the Christmas tree and have some Christmas music playing out of them. That's too cool. But let's go ahead and let's do the light one first to see turn it on, see what it looks like. But before I turn it on, I'll let you look at some of the stuff on the outside. This is your light slash, if I get it to focus, this is your light slash power button. Let's see here. That's pretty much it. And we'll see on the back, you got your charging port, you got your USB-C charging slot back there. Alright, and see on this one right here, same thing, got your power button right here, and it's going to double for play and pause. And under it, which I forgot to show you, got your little rubber padding on here, and this is the actual speaker itself. And on top of it, you have a little speaker grill too. So I'm thinking that's where the bass will probably come out the bottom, if it has any bass at all. But yeah, and like I said, the charging port on the back here is the same as the other one. Same thing, charging port on the back. All right. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get these bad boys synced up, and I want to see what how they sound. All right. And also I'm going to see if that true wireless syncing system, or whatever it is, see if I can pair them both together so I can have left and right sound. All right. All right. Hold tight. All right. I got the old sound meter out here. Before we do the sound test, though, I wanted to show you the lights on here. I believe it has it has 7 different light modes, and this should automatically connect, because I already had it connected.
Bluetooth connected.
Roger that. And also with the connections, when you want to have 2 of them playing together, for what I was seeing and what's been happening is, like, when you turn the first one on, it'd be like the master, and then when you turn the second one on, it automatically searches for another speaker of the same type, and then they automatically pair together, so you don't have to do anything. So all you gotta do is turn one on, turn the other on, and they automatically sync up. Too easy. Let's check out some of the light modes in here. Change it to blue, change it to orange, green, red, purple, blue, pink. So I'm wondering if this is the last one. Nope. Okay, that was the last one. So alright, you can turn it off. But you know me, like some RGB, so I'm going to keep it on. So let's go ahead and start this music test. Let me go ahead and get my sound meter turned on. Alright, so we're going to try out one first. Let me cue up the track. Got one of them banging tracks from Epidemic Sound. So I'm going to leave a link to Epidemic Sound down in the description box. So if you want to get some more, information on Epidemic Sound and hear some of these banging tracks, then just click on that link for Epidemic Sound. All right. So let me go ahead and start this sound test. Max volume.
Boundaries, girl, you hit too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, feel it out. You got the vibes, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, hold up, baby, don't
Let me go ahead and pair them both together so we can see how it sounds with both of them together. I'm sorry for just cutting off so quick, but I want to go ahead and get this done. Let me turn on the other one so you can see that it's going to automatically sync. Press and hold. Bam! When you hear that little chime, that means both of them are they're synced together. So let me resume the music. Let's see here. Let me start it.
Tell him no, 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 no.
Max
Tell
volume.
him no, 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 no. You've been trying to cater to all the needs. You've been feeling guilty for so long. Maybe they're not friends, they are enemies. Don't you tell them yes, tell them get lost. Cause every time you go and ask for help, they say sorry but I'm busy. So you end up doing it yourself. Ooh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. They don't have respect for your boundaries. Girl, you hit too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, feel it out. You got the vibes, but they ain't got us. You've done enough, but they still go home. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. It's time to put yourself first. Go and get the love you deserve. Stop by screaming out the word. No, 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 no.
Now that was max volume. Now I got it about this is about 50% right here. This is 50% volume. So far I haven't heard any distortion, but it don't have banging bass, but it still sounds pretty good.
It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up.
Back to max volume.
It ain't worth it, you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no.
Okay, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. As far as volume wise, I mean, from this being so small, I'm surprised of how loud these bad boys are. These are pretty loud for we looking for something this size. I mean, this is crazy for this thing to be that loud, and you got RGB. So this is like the little Halloween one, and you can still hang it from the Christmas tree or whatever, or you can have it displayed during during the holiday season. Because they look like little pumpkins. So I mean they're pretty cool. I mean that's pretty cool to have two of them, and you can do the left and right. One of them is pretty loud by itself, but two of them, that sounds pretty good. This, like I say, this will be something nice. This will be a nice stocking stuffer. That's what this will be. This would be the perfect stocking stuffer. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you get more information. Like I said, on this one here, it has 7 different light modes. Like the first light mode is gonna be like it is now. It's transitioning through, it's cycling through all the different colors. It's at blue now, and let's see, it's gonna turn to purple. So, but this one doesn't have a light. that's what I would have loved to see on this one. I would have loved to see, you know, have this one had an orange light. That's what I would have liked to have on this one, with the little jack-o'-lantern face. That would have made that little pop a little bit better. But I mean, but for what you're getting, I mean, you know, at a budget price. Let me check out the price. Yeah, for a budget price speaker, I mean, under $20, you can't beat it. Under $20, you know, it's only it's under $20 per speaker. So you know, you have to buy two different speakers in order to get it synced up. And I want to say, let's see here. Now, these are the only two they have. They only have this one and this one. So like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below. You got the little logos at the bottom of the speakers. You know, but they sounded pretty good. I didn't hear no distortion, but you got to remind yourself, you know, you always have that one spec junkie. Oh man, that didn't sound like, they don't sound terrible. This is a budget Bluetooth speaker. This is not meant to rock the party like a JBL, Bose, anything like that. This is just a small novelty speaker that happens to sound pretty good for what it is, for the size. You know, I don't have my little trusty my tape measure rather. Boy, I'm missing words. But you can see right here, this is a Bluetooth. Just my cell phone getting tongue tied, and they're still that small. And here is my mouse from the computer, and that'll give you another look to see how big it is. I mean, they're tiny. For something this tiny, you're getting some good sound out of something this tiny. So yeah, I would recommend these bad boys, especially with this being the holidays and today being Halloween at the time of filming this video. And so we have these displayed right here during the little holiday season of the Thanksgiving. I mean, cool. It'd be cool. Like, set it back to orange. If I want to set it to orange and keep it at orange and have it displayed, with the Thanksgiving, that's cool. But like I said, nothing rambling. Basically, like I said, it has what is it saying? It's a 5-watt speaker, 12-hour playtime, and basically that's it. You get one, you got RGB coloring, and other one, you don't get no coloring. Which that's the only con. I wish this would have had the LED lights on it. And at least be a solid orange. So kind of make that pop a little bit. But it is what it is. Under $20, I'm not gonna spaz out over that. But that's the end of this little video on these speakers right here. I think they're pretty cool. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. You get notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend, and tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe, and check out the videos. All right. Appreciate everybody checking out the videos. Even those people that didn't subscribe, I appreciate you taking out the time out your busy day to check out this video. All right. All right. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more information on these bad boys right here. All right. All right. Like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated, alright? Alright. Let's see here. The message for today. The message for today is, life is a race. And if you sit down and don't try, you'll never win the race. You'll even never know to see how far you can make it. So, don't give up. Put your all into it. And remember, life is a race, so you got to keep at it. You just can't stop. Alright? That's the message for today. This has been your main man Mark for Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic and I'm out. Peace. I gotta check out some more of this music, man. Whoa, man.